Well, you're here in our office at NKPR, and we are transforming our space into the It Lounge Portrait Studio with Caitlin Cronenberg and W Magazine. We are kitty corner to the TIFF Bell Lightbox, so we're so close. This definitely seems to be the place to be every year during the festival. We've had Jennifer Garner, we've had Jude Law, we've had Jason Bateman. So part of the fun at the It Lounge Portrait Studio with Caitlin Cronenberg and W Magazine are the staff. We're really excited to have Roots as a partner. They just celebrated their 40th anniversary, and a huge Canadian heritage brand and Canadian success story. Another amazing brand that has been around for over 100 years is Avon. Look at some of their products. This is probably the best mascara on the market. Look at this. You're seeing it everywhere, all over the magazines, because it's all about the eyes during the festivals. When you talk to celebrities a lot, one of the must-have items that they actually have in their clutch for female celebrities is a toothbrush. And so what they've done is they've brought in Anna Post. Anna Post is the great-granddaughter of Emily Post, the first woman that actually wrote the very first etiquette book in the 1920s. So it's pretty cool. She'll be here to actually talk about proper film festival etiquette. I love the festival. I love what it means for the city. The restaurants get excited, and you never know where you're going to see a celebrity.